Hey there, folks! Have you ever wondered how machines have revolutionized our lives, making our tasks easier and more efficient? Well, today we've got a fascinating lineup of incredible machines that will leave you in awe, proving once again that there's a machine for just about any job. So, without further ado, let's dive right into this captivating journey. First up on our list is the attic mixing bucket machine. Picture this. You're at a construction site, witnessing the laborer manually mixing sand and cement. But wait, here comes the attic mixing bucket machine, a true game changer. With its internal spiral blades and cleverly placed rollers, this machine flawlessly combines sand and cement, sparing the worker from getting his hands dirty. And guess what? It even adds water to the mix, leaving you with perfectly prepared building material. However, despite its efficiency, the attic machine is limited in terms of storage capacity, restricting its widespread use. Now, let's move on to number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on a machine designed to enhance productivity and save time, the versatile mixing marvel. This extraordinary contraption can effortlessly blend thousands of kilograms of sand and cement. And that's not all. It can also mix various types of fertilizers with water, catering to the needs of agricultural fields. The best part? It can be operated remotely, making the mixing process a breeze, thanks to its robust internal motors. And for our third entrant, let me introduce you to the Valtra T132. At first glance, this machine might appear peculiar, but trust me, it's a game changer for large fields. Not only does it save time, but it also provides a polished finish to the work. However, I must clarify that despite its robust appearance, this machine merely shapes the soil, allowing for farming activities to take place. It is truly fascinating to witness the Valtra T132 in action, as you are currently observing. This machine is capable of delivering even more impressive results than one might expect, with its efficient and precise performance. And ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our next marvel of machinery. The more you appreciate this remarkable contraption, the more you realize its true value. Its primary purpose lies in the act of seeding fields. This extraordinary machine possesses the remarkable ability to traverse water and marshy terrain with ease. Its peculiar wheels play a crucial role in this endeavor, enabling it to maneuver through swamps and marshes. Additionally, it boasts a storage container located at the rear, allowing for a convenient storage of seeds. These seeds can be effortlessly dispersed across vast distances within the fields. The process of seed dispersal occurs as the seeds gracefully descend onto the rotating panel, subsequently scattering in various directions throughout the field. Witness the seamless operation of this ingenious mechanism as it accomplishes its mission with the utmost efficiency. Last but certainly not least, let's explore the Oxbo Propelled merger. Imagine 3 cylindrical rollerblades diligently mowing through vast expanses of grass. These blades defiantly toss and cut grass aside, giving you the freedom to choose whether it should be directed to the left or right. With the press of a button, the blade movement adjusts accordingly. Once the grass is cut, it's then gathered, wrapped, and left to dry. And here comes the intriguing part. The dried, wrapped grass is transported to the animals as fodder with the help of other machines. This ingenious contraption not only harvests the grass, but also ensures it's presented as feed for the animals. Truly remarkable, isn't it? And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the world of remarkable machines that continue to amaze us with their capabilities. If you found this video as captivating as we did, be sure to show your support by liking and sharing it. And hey, If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the all notification button so you never miss out on our exciting content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.